When it comes to camping, nothing beats the warmth of a campfire and the aroma of food cooking over it. Picture this. You are in the wilderness, surrounded by the sounds of nature, and you ignite a fire to prepare a meal. But here's the twist. What if you took your campfire cooking to the next level? By creating a mini Dutch oven or skewering vegetables directly onto sticks, you can experiment with flavors while keeping things simple. Not only does it make cooking entertaining, but also connects you more with the natural surroundings. Plus, it's a chance to bond with fellow campers as you share recipes and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, the key is to respect nature by leaving no trace behind and savoring the experience, one delicious bite at a time.